Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and a very, very vibrant evening to one and all. First and foremost, I congratulate each and every soul out here gathered to connect, grow, and contribute. Once again, I want to start my words first by asking 5 basic questions to you all. I really cooperate. I'm not a podium speaker. Being a corporate trainer, I usually utilize the stage, so I would request for a hand mic if possible. And I would like to really request all the audience out here, please cooperate with me just to answer these 5 questions. I'm not going to ask you on share markets or your profit and losses or anything else, rather a yes or a no to my questions. My first question goes to you. Have you ever experienced failure in entrepreneurship journey? Do not hesitate. If yes, please raise your hands. Okay, that's a good number responding. Now, my second question. All along this journey, at times, did you really feel it was difficult to handle it all alone? Raise your hands. Okay, my third question. Have you ever come across those soulmates who came as angels to your life, be it in a financial support, be it moral support, be it support by words? Have you come across those kind of people? Or you have been such a person? Raise your hands. Now, raise your hands if you're here looking out to be one of the entrepreneurs who supported others, or to be the one to get support. You're here to connect, grow, and contribute. If yes, I want all of you to stand, please. Give it up for all of you. Give it up for all of you. Let's charge ourselves. Look around. You're not the alone. You have room full of people here who have come from all over the globe just to connect, grow, and to elevate each other. Congratulations to all of you. Allahumma barik. Please have a seat. Yes, going ahead. We have seen many networking platforms all around the world, isn't it? I know a couple of you, most of you might be one of the part of any of the networking platforms. Now, why SIBEC? SIPA International Business and Entrepreneurs Chamber was not simply created to connect. They say network is net worth. But I would say networking or just the visibility is no more the currency. Because you don't give business or you don't get business from just being visible. More than visibility, it's all about credibility. And we just understood the gap of networking platforms. We go, we meet new people, we try to connect, and then it gets lost. Those cards become one of the other cards which we carry, or one of the WhatsApp contacts which we have, but it doesn't really help us to get our business to the next level. That's where SIBEC and its founder and all the other members thought, why not make a networking platform which doesn't let people network, rather build it from there by giving the currency of trust. Yes, trust is what SIBEC wants to really build. And that's why we are here launching it in this visionary country, Saudi Arabia, which is the favorite most country for all of us here. One round of applause for the vision of Saudi 2030. To embrace each other, the country's legacy is such, right? So now, what is the vision of 2030? To make Saudi Arabia a country, an economy which has no limits in growth, people with emotionally intelligence and hand-holding each other. A mindset shift is what Saudi Vision 2030 actually roads to. And that's what SIBEC wants all the Saudi Arabia chapter members to come together and to handhold to make that vision true in true sense by whatever contribution we could give. Coming back to the vision and agenda of SIBEC, again I told you, not simply a networking platform where actually people trust each other, make their vision, their company's vision, their country's vision, global vision come true. Yes, humanity and trust is what we want. I think more of this journey could also be explained by the founder of SIBEC, Mr. Rabiq, who has got really immense, touching story behind SIBEC. But Alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed us to be the part in UAE as well as now we are going ahead with Global Summit of SciBEC as well, where we want like-minded people to come together, to share their ideas, to handhold and to take the things to the next level. Now, if I'll tell you, if I said, one saint once said, if I hear the fish says, I'm so thirsty, being in the water, I laugh. Yes, we as businessmen, we as entrepreneurs, it's really, I say, laugh-worthy if we say we don't get much business, because we are in that water where we have to simply throw the net right. We have to simply throw and connect to the right person at the right time. And then one more thing, we follow up. That doesn't happen when you meet a person once or twice. It happens with the currency called trust. And again, I'm emphasizing on that. SciBEC is a platform to make trustworthy people come together. And we assure you that we will let you be in this chapter, be in this journey where you will meet a lot of trustworthy people with trustworthy vision and mission in hands. Yes, without taking further ado, without giving my words, but definitely going forward for beautiful, yielding panel discussion where we have esteemed guests and speakers from all across the globe, also witnessing some recognition for those business and entrepreneurs, those who have really done a lot in their field. I would like to wind it up and also wishing everybody, again, all the best. But let me end this with this beautiful quote, which is my favorite one always. Vision is the art of seeing what is invisible to others. Check whether you have vision which is invisible to others. If not, SciBEC will do. Thank you. Jazakumullah khair.